So in one of the previous videos, you saw me unbox a package from LMR. One of them was the fuel pump, which is going out in the Mustang currently. So we're going to install a new one, and hopefully I don't have any starting issues like I do right here. So you can see it's starting to go out, starting to give me long crank issues. No codes or anything, and I mean, the car's over 10 years old, so you can only imagine it's a fuel pump. So, this new one unboxed real quick and get it thrown in. Alright, so I ended up ordering a whole assembly as a unit. Came with the seal, the little float, and also the actual fuel pump itself. Well, the other thing I had to buy was the specialty tool for the locking ring that secures the fuel pump down, which you'll see that later when I get the back seat taken out to get to the old fuel pump. So yeah, hopefully this one should last another 100,000+ miles and not really give me any issues. So obviously you saw one video of the fuel pump starting to go out. Let's see if maybe I can replicate again. Yeah, that time it really didn't even want to start. So that's the issue I'm chasing. I'm pretty sure it's the fuel pump that's just going out over time because it's not very consistent. It's very intermittent, so for sure it's the fuel pump. So what I have to do is take the back seat out. It should be underneath the driver's side, or yeah, right back here underneath the back seat. So I'm gonna get the back seat taken out and see what it looks like where it's at. So. There's like a locking tab underneath it. Yeah, there's one. Just gotta get the other side. There we go. Let's see what we're working with here. So it should be underneath this little grump. So I'm gonna get this up and check back in. Alright, so we got this lifted up. Connector. There's a little locking tab right here. I think I have to get that out. Get that out with a little pocket screwdriver, and this plug should come out. Alright, so we got the plug out. I had to undo this little locking tab. So the plug is out. See how gross it is down here. I think I just have to undo this little hose, which should be relatively easy. And get the locking tool on these tabs, twist it, and pull the old fuel pump out. But before I do that, I'm gonna vacuum. That way no debris or dirt gets into the fuel tank. Here's the old fuel pump. Here's the new one. So now that I got the old one out, I'm gonna throw the new one in and see if she starts better. Alright, new fuel pump is in. And so let's see if it'll crank up and start over each time. Alright, I've driven the car for a little bit, and everything seems to be good. Starting fine. It's starting up good. Yeah, it's just a little bit annoying to install because you had to make one slight modification to get the locking ring out. Apparently it's very common on S197s. It was fixed on the S550s, so had to deal with that. But starts up fine, starts up good. I've driven around, and so it seemed to fix my issue, which is great. So that's install on this little fuel pump.